Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. With AnyTrans mobile app, turn your iPhone, iPad, iPod into a USB flash drive. This video is about how to manage your files using AnyTrans Drive. Please launch AnyTrans on your computer. Connect your iOS device via USB cable. Please wait some time to load the device data. Once the data is loaded fully, please click AnyTrans Drive button in Quick Start option. Here you can access the files stored on your iOS device. Change the display mode. You can select the files you want to export. Click on the To PC to Mac button and choose the export path to initiate the transfer process. Once completed, you can then view the transferred files on your computer. Click Add button to add files to device. Or delete the files on AnyTrans Drive. Refresh the interface load files. Edit the file name.